Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be taking a look at a brand new dash cam that I just got. It's the THINKWARE Arc dash cam.
Dash cams are really an essential part to prevent insurance fraud and really to help out against everyday road rage.
It actually comes with both front and rear cameras, and I've heard some really cool things about its features, especially the QHD recording, smart alerts, and even the energy-saving parking mode. First impressions, it's compact, sleek, and honestly looks great. This one actually won a Red Dot Design Award, and you could see why. Also, yes, it comes with a memory card included, so you're ready to go straight out of the box. A lot of cams don't include that. Let's get it out of the box and see what's inside, and then I'll head out into the car and show you how easy it is to install. Alright, so in the box we've got a front cam, a rear cam, a power cable, memory card, mounts, and a few extra. Pretty much everything you need. Now let's get this thing installed. First, we're going to mount the front camera just behind the rear view mirror. That way it stays discreet and gets a full view of the road. Super easy, just peel, stick, and run the cable across the headliner.
It comes with a great tool that makes hiding the wires super easy.
Now for the rear camera. It mounts on the back windshield. Same idea here. Peel, stick, and connect the cable to the front camera. So here's some footage from the camera. This is where the QHD resolution comes in. Everything is super sharp, even at night. Thanks to the Super Night Vision 2.0, and it also uses something called dewarping video technology, so the footage doesn't look distorted from the lens curve. One of my favorite features, the smart driving alerts. You get a heads up when the light turns green and when the car in front of you starts moving. Super handy for those moments when you're a little distracted. Also, this thing is super efficient when your car is parked. It uses a special energy saving mode that lets it record up to 129 hours. That's like 5 days of standby time. Most dash cams can't even touch that. Setup with the app was also quick. I just connected my phone using Wi-Fi, and now I could download videos, tweak settings, and lock recordings right from the app. One more thing is worth mentioning. It has a privacy lock mode. You can set a password so no one else can access your videos without your permission. Overall, the THINKWARE Arc Dashcam really surprised me. Great design, super useful features, very easy to install, and it just works. If you're looking to protect yourself on the road and during parking, this is definitely one to check out. All right, while I've been testing this dash cam out for the past couple of days, let me tell you a few real-world situations that this thing stands out and really shines. First, the signal alert feature. So I was stopped at a red light, checking my phone, and I actually got a heads-up chime when the light turned green. Same thing when the car in front of me started moving. I know it sounds small, but honestly, it's one of those things you don't realize you need until it's there. Next, the rear cam. It's not just reversing, it records everything behind you while you drive. Super useful in those just-in-case moments. And let's talk about the privacy lock mode real quick. This is a password you set on your dash cam itself. Even if someone tries to pull your SD card or unplug it, they can't view your files. That's huge, especially if you're recording sensitive situations like accidents or road rage incidents. The THINKWARE Link app also gives you control right from your phone. I downloaded a couple clips straight from the app while sitting in the parking lot. No cables, no removing SD cards, just fast and simple. And by the way, that energy saving feature left the car parked for almost 3 days. Came back and it was still recording when it detected motion. Other dash cams I've used would have shut down in less than 24 hours. So yeah, between the clear footage, the smart alerts, the sleek design, and the reliability, I think THINKWARE really nailed it with the ARC model. This thing doesn't just sit on your windshield, it's like a quiet assistant that's always watching out for you. Again, link is below if you want to check it out. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll catch you in the next one.